Okay, let's start to draw this model. So we are going to draw this circle on the top plane. Click top, sketch, draw a circle. Johnny 5. Extrude 5 mm. Okay. Next we are going to show the model. So the shell command is put the feature. So the shell command is over here. Shell command. So click shell, click this space and make the wall thickness 5 mm. Show the preview. So you will give a wall thickness of 5 mm. Sorry, the thickness is too good. You cannot show because I didn't change the dimension here. 2 mm. So now we can see the preview. 2 mm thickness. But just now the dimension was 5 mm. Remember 5 mm there's no way you can show because the thickness is only 5 mm. Next we are going to draw a circle. Sketch. So draw a circle. Coincident. Dimension this one as 12 mm. And we are going to extrude from this surface up 5 mm. So we are going to use this offset from surface. So go to feature, extrude, offset from surface. Five mm. So select this face. So you have to reverse the direction. Then we can now we can see the preview. If you don't reverse, it's going to offset the other direction, which will give an error. So 5 mm. Okay. Okay, next we are going to draw another circle. And up to surface, that means the height is up to this surface. So draw a circle on this page. Sketch. So draw another circle. Okay. I mentioned this one as 19. Let's say up to surface. So go to feature, extra boss space, select up to surface. And then what surface? This surface. Next, we are going to draw to create the rib. So to create the rib, we click this face, sketch. Okay, normal tool. So draw a line. Make sure it's coincident. horizontal and also coincident to this circle. Okay, escape to exit the command, and then we're going to use a rip command. So the thickness is 3 mm. So go to feature, rip into 3 mm. So remember, now we are using both sides because you can use first side, second side. So look at the arrow, now it's pointing in the wrong direction. So I got to click here. Now it's facing down, that's correct. So leave this one as spot. So now we have the rib. So next we are going to pattern this one 8 times. So we go to feature, particular pattern, the direction, just simply click this space. Change to 8. Of course, equal spacing. Feature, boss, extrude. Okay. Feature is this way. Direction. So 8. 8 rib. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, fully spaced. So next we are going to fillet 1 mm. Fillet. So go to fillet. Choose the space here. So it's 1 mm. Change to 1 mm. Again, let's filter the edge easier. Select all the edges. So it's easier to filter the edge. Just select everything. Just turn over. It's a very tedious process because there are so many fillets. When you can see the preview, that means your fillet is going to be successful. Okay, we have the fillet, there is enough portioning. We have selected all the edges. Okay. So the fillet all completed. Remember to clear the filter. So next step is to create another fillet of 1 mm. So go to fillet. So we just select the face. Easier. So you can select the face. Not to select the edge. Okay, next. So next we are going to draw on the on the other side. So we are going to create this portion here. So click get normal tool. Maybe let's see. Now we know that we are around here. So we go to enter rectangle. We're going to create. Let's go back to this one. I mentioned this one 82. And 6. Extrude 4 mm. So you extrude away from this surface. So feature, so correct direction 4 mm. Remember dimension are important, just practice. So now we need to make this portion here. So we go to sketch. The easier way is convert the entity. Go feature, extrude, up to surface. Okay. Repeat on the other side. So you do the same thing. Click here, sketch. Since the face is selected, we convert entity, you convert the edge, all the edges. Feature, extrude boss face to surface. So next you're going to fillet. So you need to fillet 1 mm and also on this portion here. So we go to fillet 1 mm, select this face. Fillet. So now I want to fillet the edge. Fillet. Select the edge. So now we have filleted the edge. Next thing, we're going to create a hole, through hole. There's a through hole here. Select this one, sketch. Remember, by scrolling the middle mouse, you can zoom. So go to circle. Circle. Click. And then dimension is on 6 mm. Feature. So cut. Through. No, cannot, because it cannot. It's up to surface, up to the plate surface. Because it cannot extrude past this point to give an error. So the next thing, we're going to draw the slot here. Click, sketch, normal tool. Okay, we're going to draw the slot over here. So you press the shift key and then you arrow key. You can the alt key. Press alt key. You can turn this way. You press the shift key and the arrow key. You can turn the other way direction. So remember the alt key. You can turn 15 degree or 30 degree, depend on your setting. So now I've seen this, so I'm going to draw a straight slot. It's not going to be drag up. Okay, I mentioned this one, 15. In the radius here is 3. And the dimension from here to this up here, to this point here is 32. I mean dimension one more time. Click, and drag up 32. And let me put the wireframe and see. So we are not going to extrude cut. We are going to extrude out. Okay, now we can go to mirror entity to mirror. Of course, I want to mirror this slot. So mirror slot. So don't need to select everything. Then mirror about, select one plane. Okay. Mirror about front. So for slot, you don't have to select all the entity. Just select one line. You know there is a slot. Click. And now we are going to up to surface. That means extrude this one up to the same height here. So go to feature, go to surface. I want to be same height as this one. And then after that, the last part is fillet 1 mm again. So go to fillet. Okay, select this place. Select the edge here. Tangent propagation. So tangent propagation. So you will copy the rest for you. And then below here is over here. So here. So all the fillet done. So now we have completed this model. Thank you for watching the video.